Kraken Exchange Review. Is Kraken a good exchange? Founded in 2011 by Jesse Powell and Tana Liu, Kraken has established itself as a prominent cryptocurrency exchange serving millions of users across over 190 countries. Here are some of its key features. Kraken supports over 340 currencies, including major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as numerous altcoins, providing traders with a diverse selection. For more experienced traders, Kraken offers features such as margin trading and futures contracts, enabling sophisticated trading strategies. Now, after a temporary suspension in 2023 due to regulatory issues, Kraken reinstated its staking program in 2025, offering on-chain staking for 18 coins and an opt-in staking program for 7 other assets, with APYs reaching up to 22%. When it comes to security measures, Kraken is renowned for its strong commitment to security, ranking second on the crypto exchange security review site CER, and having no major hacking incidents to date. The platform implements advanced security features, including two-factor authentication and SSL encryption to safeguard users' accounts. In terms of user experience, Kraken provides a user-friendly platform suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders with a clean design and easy navigation. The exchange also offers a wealth of educational materials, helping users enhance their understanding of cryptocurrency trading. Kraken also offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, email, and phone, ensuring assistance is readily available when needed. In terms of fees, Kraken operates on a tiered fee system, where higher tier trading volumes result in lower fees, making it cost-effective for very active traders. And lastly, let us not forget that Kraken is registered with FinCEN as a money service business, demonstrating its compliance with US regulations. In summary, Kraken stands out as a secure and versatile cryptocurrency exchange, offering a wide range of supported assets, advanced trading features, and a user-friendly experience. While it's essential to remain vigilant about personal account security, Kraken's platform makes it a strong contender for both new and experienced traders. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.